Okay, now before we start, let's first understand very clearly what is the purpose of this entire exercise and how we are going to benefit from it. That's the first thing. Second thing is what are the prerequisites that we should have and why we should have that. That's the second thing. And third is how to make the chart and obviously interpret it. Okay. So first thing, why is this exercise important? Is for obvious reasons. The problems which are coming in our life, whether it is financial, professional, whatever it is, what are they coming because of? If we can tap that, okay, that is the main purpose of this. So what is happening on a lifelong like umbrella basis? What is expected in this year? What is expected in this month? And I'm going to show you even the day thing, because sometimes what happens is like today, for example, Preeti is not feeling well. So if a day kundi was immediately there in front of me, I could have told that. Now I have to go to the KP, this thing, get that F2 and then tell her. So, if something is going wrong and you have a day kundi there, you can at least at this point of time document it. And a time will come when you see the day only, you can anticipate, okay, आज का दिन ऐसा है, तो मेरे को ये काम करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay, so that takes care of the part one, is why we need to do this. Okay, in simple words, to take control of the situation, whether it's your life, it's your year, it's your month, or it's your day. Two, what are the prerequisites? There are two charts which I feel you should actually know by heart, and you'll understand why. One is the good bad planet houses, and two are the basically the directions. Okay, good bad house planets I have shown you. I will again be showing you again today, so that it becomes a revision. And for the directions, I've just made a sort of a what is it called technique, which I'll share with you. मेरे को तो 2 मिनट में वो याद हो गया. So I think it will be good enough if you all practice that also. And why we need that is because, see, if you talk of a Varsh Kundli or you talk of a Mahina Kundli, okay, you will be making once, and then for the full month you will just be looking at it. You don't need to buy it. But every day, if you're going to see something is happening or not, and you need to sort of rectify it, then you better have these two things by heart. Which are the good houses, which are bad houses. If you talk of Venus, if Venus is in fifth house, is it good or bad? If you start scratching your head or going back and forth, the what I'm trying to do is, even though I've made all these master templates and all these things, the aim is that you memorize it at some point of time. Like, frankly speaking, the funny part is I have made all these tabulations, and by the end of that making of the tabulation, it has got by heart, memorized sort of, which is useful because when you're analyzing, doing this becomes irritating. Udhar ke udhar hone jana. So those are the two tables which we'll do. Third thing is we will each one make the Varsh Kundli, Mahina Kundli, and the Din Kundli, Day Kundli. Okay, and on that, then I will tell you the steps. The basic first step is to find out which are the bad houses, and then the interpretation of that. Simple. Anything you want to ask at this point, or just say this and we'll go ahead. Okay. So I'll share the screen first now. Can all of you see the screen? Just do this. Don't need to. Now I'm going to run you through both those what is it called, tabulations, which we have made in a diagrammatic form, and then we'll go ahead from there. Okay. So if we start from Jupiter, the bad houses, if you remember, it is from Patal going up. So 1, 2, and 3. These are the bad houses for Jupiter. Same for Sun. Okay. Now I'm keeping this on purposely. Maybe I'll change the color just for you to understand. When we talk of Moon, it is starting from Patal, but it is sidestepping Sun, sidestepping Sun, sidestepping Sun, and reaching the top. So that is Moon. Bad houses for Moon. Okay. Okay, so Jupiter, Saturn, or Jupiter, Moon, and Sun is done. Saturn, if you remember, like Moon goes up, down to up, Saturn is going into the Patal. So it was basically 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, if you remember that table, this was where Saturn was there. Then if you see Venus, I had said Venus, V for Venus, V for VAT 69. So 1, 6, 9. This is VAT 69. Okay, that is there. Mars, दो दो हाथ करके मारा मारी. So it was basically do is 4, mara mar ke mar jata hai to 8. So 4 and 8 was Mars, if you remember. Okay. Then if you remember, Ketu was a dragon foot. So it was this, and this. So it was basically this house, this house, this house, this house, and this house. Where I said Ketu is the foot, and this somewhat looks like a dragon's foot. Okay, so whatever it is, you can do. And for Rahu, if you remember, I said Rahu is the only one where we are taking the good ones. It is like a thumb. That was the thumb. So this one, this one, this one. It was a thumb. So here Rahu is good. Baki all over bad planets. Okay. So I think we have Mercury. We forgot. Mercury was the naughty girl. So she starts off in 3, which is Mercury ka basic house, and then she likes nightlife. So it is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is where Mercury came. Okay. All of you good so far?
Can you repeat the sun one?
I'll repeat all if you want, but that there is a complete video. You'll have to by heart that. I'll do all over again, Sujata. For your sake, I'll do it again.
No, don't. I'll go through the others again.
Because
Manish.
I've given the understanding of that. If I go for that, no, that will take a little longer time. But just 1 minute, I'll run through in 2 minutes for your sake. Yeah, but this, if you remember, in Lal Kitab, this is called Patal. 6th house is called Patal. Okay. So we are saying Suraj Patal se upar aa raha hai. So Suraj is going up and up. Okay, but still it is still in Patal only. It's not yet come out into the open. That's why we said that it is, these are the bad houses for sun. This is how we are remembering it. It's not Lal Kitab theory, it is my theory of remembering. Same way, Sun and his father, called Jupiter, both of them are in the same soup doing this. Okay. Now then we said, Moon jo hai na, if you just think logically, when sun is there, moon is not there. No? It is like a yin yang thing. No? When sun comes, moon goes. When moon comes, sun goes. So basically, moon has to sidestep. So moon is also starting here, but it is sidestepping sun. It is sidestepping sun and going up to the top. So that is the moon ka bad house. This is how pictorially you have to remember. Okay. Then this was Jupiter, Sun, Moon. Barabar. Saturn is the dark fellow, no? So he is going to the khadda. So he will start over here and then go down into the khadda. So this is the Ulta 7 which comes for Saturn. Okay. Then Mercury we said is the bad girl. So bad girl likes nightlife. So nightlife starts at 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is where Mercury is bad. Venus, we said V for Venus, V for VAT 69 Daru. That VAT 16, that lady also likes nightlife and popping and all that. So basically, I like VAT 69. Barabar, Daru. So that is how this one came. Rahu was the only one where we took the positive part because the negatives are too many. So it is like a thumb, you know. So this 3, 4, and 6 are where Rahu is good. Okay. And Ketu is foot. And Ketu is also the dragon, the bottom part. So we said this looks like a dragon foot. If you see the profile of this looks like a dragon foot, not like a dinosaur ka foot or whatever that. So that is how it came. So there is that video. You just go through it 2-3 times and you actually draw it. No, it will get set with this story which I've made. Okay. So this is the first thing that you need to know. This is the most important thing. Most important, because if you can't point out which planet is bad where, it is gone for a toss. Okay. There's one more concept which I think we need to get into. This is the 6th house and the 8th house. Okay, are the houses of illness and obstacles. Barabar? So if any planet is there, whether it is in a good house or bad house, it might end up giving bad results. So we might need to see that also. Okay. So 6th house, 8th house, if there is a planet, let us say moon is in the 6th house, let us say. So maybe the mother is unwell, or moon being the karak of liquid cash is going in some debt because 6th house is house of debt or hidden enemies or something like that. We need to see that. Okay, so that is your chart number 1 which you have to buy. Now the second chart which I just shared with you yesterday are the Vastu directions as per LK. Okay, so though I have shared the template with you, I will show you how I have memorized it. Okay, now I'll just type it over here. Just see, just try to understand. There is one visual link which is like this, like this, like this, and like this. Okay, what does that stand for? North, साउथ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट। ओके, ये ऐसा उल्टा, ऐसा लाइक दिस, ऐसा ऐसा ध्यान में रखो, ऐसा कार्डिंग। ओके, आई डोंट हाउ यू रिमेंबर इट, बट आई रिमेंबर इट। ओके, सो नॉर्थ, साउथ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, ये यू रिमेंबर द डायग्राम लेवल। ओके, then north side goes up all the way, so this becomes northeast and this becomes northwest. It is always east west आता है ना, west east नहीं आता, always east west. So north south east west, northeast northwest. Then when you start from south here, this is southeast and this is southwest. Okay, I'm not seeing any table. This is, it has already got memorized. You can cross check with the tabulation if you want. Okay, I'll draw the arrows, then you'll understand. Then एक तो ध्यान में रखना कि this is the center, which is your Brahmastra, 9th house. Abhi, if you remember, these two houses in our Pakka houses also, if you remember, here Jupiter and Sun is here, and here Jupiter and Saturn is. There is nothing Uch Neech, if you remember. You remember that? So here, this again east west, no? So this becomes east wall. I'm just writing it like this, and this becomes west wall. And खड्डे में गया, मुझे एंड में मैं साउथ वॉल हो गया ना. Okay, so now I'll just draw a diagram to show you how it works. Then you'll be able to maybe draw parallels. I'll draw it with yellow so it's not very conspicuous. Now if you see, I said we start off from here. We start out from here. It went here, here and here. Is सात का आंकड़ा like this. उल्टा सात का आंकड़ा. Okay, that was it. Then I said from north you go up. It rises up. No, so northeast, northwest. Always east comes before that. Then ये बाकी का जो चौरस बचा है is southeast, southwest. So बचा कौन सा? ये बचा, ये बचा, ये बचा और ये बचा, बराबर? So this is 9th house is the Brahmasthal. एक तो ध्यान में रखना. 9th house is this thing. हाँ? East, west. Always east comes first, west comes. बचा कौन सा? South. There is nothing like north wall. Okay. So I'll just draw those diagrams again so that it sort of registers. So this one tuck tuck tuck, ये सात का आंकड़ा ध्यान में रखना है, like this. लेफ्ट हैंड का उंगली ऐसा करो ना. See, all of you, just put your left hand का उंगली in front of you. That सात which you see is actually that. Can you make out? Okay. Then from here, north say it rises up, na. North is first, so उधर sun आएगा. So from here up and up. Okay. So basically, अभी बचा कौन सा? If you see in the basic quadrant, this one, this one, this one, and sorry, this one and this one are pending in the thing. So again from here, south, southeast, southwest. The blank spaces. Once you actually write it down, you will understand. You have to do one thing if you want. Let's do this because I think this needs to be memorized. एक काम करो. I'm on the blank. I'm removing all this. Let me just remove all this. Let us all do it physically only.
I got it, Manish. The way you explain now, it's easy. Otherwise, I was trying, but nahi ho raha tha.
Just on a blank sheet, just draw this with me. Okay, draw this finger का सात का आंकड़ा, what you have shown, left hand सात का आंकड़ा. Just draw this line. Pencil से करो, pencil से करो. And always it is north, south, east, west. Now when we talk also it is north, south, east, west. So go along that line and say north, south, east, west. Got it? Now what you do is from north over here, go up and go up. So northeast, northwest. So this becomes northeast, this becomes northwest. Okay. Now your north south is here, right? South का अभी ये एक pending है और ये एक pending है. This is your right hand का सात, right hand 7. So this becomes southeast and southwest. So this is your south over here at third house. This becomes southeast. This becomes southwest. Okay. Now if you see, you will have this guy vacant, this guy vacant, this guy vacant, and this guy vacant. So it's almost the corner triangles are vacant. Correct? So these, first of all, इसको ब्रह्मस्थल बना दो, center बना दो. 9th हाउस को ब्रह्मस्थल बना दो. Okay, it is always east west, no? So इसको east बना दो, east wall, west wall बना दो, diametrically opposite, and this is the south wall. Understood? Clear? If you draw this now once or twice, see, actually I just did this before the class, and I got that हिशोब होता त्याच्यात आला, and that's the end of it. So I'm just repeating, your north, south, east, west is your left hand का 7 का आंकड़ा. Okay, north से ऊपर जाता है, so north first will be east and then west. So northeast, northwest. South when you do it will be your right hand का 7 का आंकड़ा. So south your southeast, southwest. ये 4 जो बचा है तो पहले ब्रह्मस्थल निकाल दो 9th हाउस का. ये लेफ्ट राइट ऊपर नीचे ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट हो गया. नीचे वाला 5th हाउस ईस्ट एंड 11th हाउस वेस्ट. सो ईस्ट वॉल वेस्ट वॉल बचा है कि साउथ वॉल, वो भी खड्डे में 8th हाउस. गॉट इट? If you just do this once or twice, no, you'll be able to memorize it. Then you don't need to use that ready reckoner also. Got it? So these are the two tables which you should, frankly speaking, put in full efforts to learn. Because if you see now, those bad houses ka thing are the most important. Because if you cannot identify the bad planet, what are you bloody doing then? Then the entire purpose is lost. And every time if you're going to go left, right, left, right, left, right, you're going to lose track. So the exercise that you need to do now is first of all learn the tabulation, how I've shown you the dragon fruit and all that, whatever it is, and then randomly take any charts and just go over there from the first house till the 12th house and see which are the ones which are good or bad, which we'll do today on your own chart. Are we clear so far? Anyone wants to ask anything? Ask, otherwise we'll start the actual working. So we have done, out of the 4 parts, we have done 2 parts just now. Okay. One was basically understanding why we are doing this, because it's very important to understand why we are doing this and how important it is. Second are these 2 tabulations which are most important and you need to by heart them. The earlier you by heart them, the better for you. Okay. Now third one, let us actually start charting it out. Okay. So I have all of you got that 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 thing ready? Okay. So top left is your Rashi chart, your basic birth chart. Uske right hand side is your Varshfal. Bottom left, now you are actually seeing mirror image, but I'll narrate. So bottom left is your Mahina Kundli. And bottom right is your Din Kundli. So basically, in this chart, if you're making it manually, your Lagna chart and your Varshfal can be written, everything can be written with sketch pen. Because 1 साल तक रहने वाला है. Mahina Kundli and Day Kundli, inside things I would say you suggest you write with pencil. Because Din Kundli, every day you're going to change. Mahina Kundli, obviously one month you change. Okay. Now, I hope you all are ready with the Rashi chart. Your top left one is ready. Okay, so that is your Rashi chart. And I hope you are ready with that patta of your running year. Okay. Now what we'll do is, I will tell you, I will go from 1 to 12. Wherever your houses are blank, omit it. Don't bother. Okay. So now in the right hand side chart, what you're going to do is you're going to make Varshfal of this running year. So let us say like my 55 running year is there, the 55 ka patta I'm seeing. So when I say 1, 5, then you'll have to do that. So now 1K line mein dekho, do all, okay, 1 or 2 houses, let's do personally. If I say first house, whoever has planets in the first house, put your hand up. Okay, first house, anyone has planets? Okay, Rishikesh and Arvind Kaka. Okay. Now, first house may Rishikesh, what is the thing written below you?
12.
12. आणि अरुण काका तुझं काय लिहिलंय? नाही, आवाज नाही. फर्स्ट हाऊसच्या लाईन मध्ये काय लिहिलेलं आहे? युअर म्यूट.
फर्स्ट मध्ये 10 लिहिलेलं आहे.
10. ओके.
माझ्या रनिंग इयर मध्ये फर्स्ट हाऊस 10th मध्ये जात आहे.
So your whatever planets are there in your first house, in the Varshfal, you write it in the 10th house.
Yeah, I have written.
Okay. And Rishikesh, you will write it in the 12th house. Now I'm putting you all on mute now. Second house में हाँ तुझा पण आहे first house. So whatever is there in the first house, which house is there? हाताने सांग मला. Which house is there? Number मध्ये काय आहे त्या पट्टीमध्ये? 9. Okay. So your first house planets, all of them, whether they're 1, 2, 3, whatever, put them in the. Actually, 1 minute. I have got all your charts here. Just one. Okay. This will make life much easier. I should have thought of this earlier. Okay. So, Arvind Kaka, you have got Jupiter in house number 1. You will don't unmute. Nobody unmute. I'll tell you unless you have a question. 1 minute. So you have Jupiter, Arvind Kaka. You have Jupiter in first house. In this virtual, it goes to 10th house. So 10th house, may you write that. बरोबर. Rishikesh in first house you have got Rahu, that goes to your 12th house. Trupti you have got Trupti you have got first house Ketu, that goes to the 9th house. Correct? Sujata, you have a question?
In my first house, it's 10, no?
First house is
10?
No, your first house. No? Your first house, there is no planet.
आहे.
In your Rashi chart, you have first house planet. Hai?
हो.
In the Kundli which I have got of yours, there is no this thing. This is the 6th person I should there. Isn't your first house 6th Rashi? You are mute. Unmute.
10 आणि Venus आहे तिकडे.
And then I
मग माझं चुकीचं मी चुकीचं केलंय का?
Because in the chart, where did you get your chart from? Is it
From this KP. You want me to read KP?
1 minute. I'm just pausing the recording. I want to check one. So your directly 4th house is Saturn, Mars, Moon. 5th house nothing. 6th house is Sun, Mercury, Rahu. Okay. Sun, Mercury, Rahu. 7th house nothing. 8th house is Venus, Jupiter. 9th, 10th, 11th nothing, and direct 12th mother Ketu. Just see if you have written down 9 planets. Okay. So basically, you don't have to do any movement because your first house is empty. Barabar? Okay. Now second house. Anyone has got in the second house? Just put your hand up if anyone of you has got. Okay. So Rishikesh has got Mars and Sun in second house. And second house ka what is it showing in your patti? Second only. So right there only. Virtual में second में वही लिखो. Anyone has in the third house? Okay. So Rishikesh has got Mercury in third house. Where does it go to?
6.
Right, Mercury in sixth house. Trupti has got Moon in the third house. Where is it going to? First house. So right, Moon in the first house. Okay. Have you all understood this? So I'm just pausing the recording. I'm giving you all 2-3 minutes. Make your chart.
I have sent you on the personal chat also.
So basically, that's okay. So basically what you do is, your Rashi chart is ready, top left. Your Varsh फल chart is ready. इसके नीचे राशि चार्ट लिखो, इसके नीचे वर्ष फल लिखो, into bracket write down date like 10/03/2021 to 9/03/2022. So it starts on your birthday and it ends the minute before your next birthday, 12th hour before your birthday. Actually, if you want to go to say if I'm born in 2020, so 2019 ला ते माझं वर्ष संपलं आणि 2020 ला the next year will start. But it's okay. एवढं काय जायची गरज नाही. Okay, so these top 2 charts are ready. Now we have to pay attention properly. We have to get the Mahina Kundli. Okay, for Mahina Kundli, just remember this thing. You have to move the sun. You have to move the sun. What that means is, now in your Varsh Kundli, let's take Sujata's example, so it will make it easy for her and you will all understand. In your Varsh Kundli, Sujata, where is the Sun, Mercury, Rahu seated? Which house is it seated in?
Sorry, 6th house.
6th house.
6th.
So now in your Mahina Kundli, You have
Sun will be
you have to move the sun, so that combination to the
Hmm.
month which you want. आता तुझा बर्थडे कुठल्या महिन्यातला आहे?
12 December.
December. So at the moment March is your December, January, February, March. Fourth month is going on.
Yes.
बरोबर. December किती आहे?
Yes. 18.
18. So 18 December to 18 Jan, 18 Jan to 18 Feb, 18 Feb to 18th March, 18
March.
March to 18th April. So your fourth.
Hmm.
So the sun's also
Yeah.
जो है ना, you write it down in the fourth house in the Mahina Kundli.
Okay.
All of you understanding? Have you all done it? So I'll just do it. I will do it with Sujata. So then you all just follow that. Now, आता Sujata just understand one thing. तुझ्या वर्षमध्ये these sun, moon, sun, Mercury, Rahu are seated in the sixth house, right?
Yes.
So
So I
consider.
move them to the fourth house in the Mahina.
आता नीट लक्ष दे. आता नीट लक्ष दे.
Hmm.
Your Varsh Kundli
Hmm.
becomes your entire train for all the charts below it. All the charts below it. What I mean,
Okay.
that sequence which has been formed,
Hmm.
same sequence will follow. So sun, to the sun, Mercury, Rahu, so look at it like an engine.
Hmm.
And look at the rest of it like a shape hook. So basically, sun, Mercury, त्याच्यानंतर किती घर सोडून next येतं, किती घर सोडून येतं, just draw a parallel over it.
Okay. So after 1 it is so 4th, 6th मध्ये माझं Venus Jupiter येईल.
नाही तसं मला माहित नाही. ओके जस्ट 1 minute. Narrate it to me. Just 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. तुझं मला just narrate the वर्ष कुंडली to me. वर्ष कुंडली.
Varsh Kundali in the 6th house I have Saturn, Mars and Moon.
Saturn, Mars, Moon. Okay, then
Then in the 2nd house I have Sun, Mercury, Rahu.
असं उलटं पालटं कसं जाते? हां ओके. मग
Venus, Jupiter in the 7th house
Venus, Jupiter, 7th house. हां आणि
and Ketu in the 3rd.
कसं randomly सांगते का? Basically your second house is Sun, Mercury, Rahu.
2nd house is Sun, Mercury, Rahu. 3rd house is Ketu. 6th is Saturn, Mars, Moon, and 7th is Venus, Jupiter.
Okay. So basically, in very simple words, if I have to tell you, your sun ka combo, I'll just call them combo. So sun ka combo, immediately next house is Ketu,
Hmm.
then empty,
Yes.
then empty, then Saturn ka combo.
Yes.
Your Varshpal I'm talking. Then immediately after that is Jupiter,
Yes.
then is empty,
Correct.
empty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 empty, and again the sun wala comes. Correct?
Yes.
After now, what you have to do is, in your Mahina Kundli, the same thing will be rotated in such a way, your sun goes into the fourth house,
Correct. So Ketu will be in the 5th.
then you leave, and then you'll put a Saturn combo.
Yes.
Immediately after that, you'll put this combo. Then you leave,
Yeah.
leave, and again you'll come back to the sun. Is that correct?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 empty, and then sun coming in.
So in the 8th house, I'm getting Saturn, Mars, Moon. Barobar?
एक. So now your Varsh Kundli is fourth house is the Saturn combo, fifth house is the Ketu, eighth house is the Saturn, ninth house is the Venus.
Yes. That's my Mahina Kundali.
That is your Mahina Kundli for the fourth month for you.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
It is from your body. Have all of you understood this? Shruti, were you asking something? I saw you pick up your hand.
माझा
एक minute. Shruti, were you asking something? Okay, Trupti काय?
माझा फर्स्ट महिना आहे जानेवारी बट इट इज 21st.
So the 21st January to 21st February. 21st February to see
21st March.
one person must actually, if you have to see properly, 21st Jan is your birthday. So 21st Jan to 19th Feb is your first month. 19th Feb, 20th Feb. Let's make it sober. 21 Jan to 21 Feb is this. 21 Feb to 21 March is this. 21 March to 21 April is this. The third. But I'm just making it easy, but it is actually 21 to 19, 21 to 20, 21 to 20. Take the Lakshati. So it's your third month. So your sun's a combo will go to the third one. From the Varshfal.
But my Varshfal sun is in third house only.
मग तो झालं, मग तिथेच राहिलं तो. So your Varshfal and your Mahina Kundli will be the same for this month. That's why if you remember, I had said that today my Varshfal and my today's day is the same. That's why actually I was just keeping a general observation how my day is going. Maybe that is how the year is going to go also. I don't know. Just I have still to contemplate. I have not yet contemplated it, but this is what I realized in the morning when I made it. So have you understood this? So now our top left, which is your Lagna chart, is all ready. Your Varshfal is ready. Your Mahina Kundli is ready. Ata now pay attention. For moving the month, what did we move? Sun. For moving the day, you will move the Mars. So तिकडे लिहून ठेवा पाहिजे. महिना कुंडलीच्या बाजूला सन लिहा, दिन कुंडलीच्या बाजूला मार्स लिहा. Okay. आता कसं लक्षात घ्यायचं? How to understand this? You'll have to actually count on your fingers. Don't try to do any mathematics otherwise. See, let us say my birthday is on 10th March and today is 30th March. Okay. So what we'll do 30 minus 10, 20. It doesn't become 20, it will become 21. Just see. So basically 10 becomes day 1. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 21 days. So today is the 21st day for me. So Mars, wherever it is seated, let us say I am doing this on Sujata's chart. Sujata, your Mars is seated in the 4th house. Sujata, your Mars is seated in the 4th house. Okay.
Yes.
I'm considering that chart as my chart.
Okay.
And from there, from 4th house, I will do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12th will become the 3rd house. Just try it out. So you'll understand how to do the calculation. One, let me share this thing. Abhi idhar dekho. Just pay attention, all of you. Your Mars is here, right? Okay. Now we want 21 days. So this becomes day 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. ये जरा ध्यान में रखो, then your life becomes easy. 12th is one before. So when I want to do 21, what I will do is 12 to the 24, 23,
Minus
21. So my Mars will move here. And if you do it the donkey,
Okay.
if you do it like a donkey, then what will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So this is the donkey way. This is the monkey way. Hit 12. Always wherever you are seated, that's a एक दिवस आधी one house आधी is the 12th house. 12, 21 जायचं म्हणजे 12 वर ना कुठे अजून calculate. 12 to the 24. This is the 24th day, 23rd day, 22nd day, 21st day. So my Mars ka component goes here, and everything that follows the same way will go that same thing. How we do.
Okay.
But I want to understand which Kundali will we follow now. We will follow
Kundli,
the Varsh Kundali or the Din
Varsh Kundli.
Varsh Kundali.
Your Rashi chart, the एकच use है just to make the Varsh Kundli. Forget the Rashi chart. And whether you are doing the Varsh Kundli, Mahina Kundli, Din Kundli, tang, it is that sequence which comes in your Varsh Kundli. ये ध्यान में रखो. Don't go to the Lagna Kundli, पूरा वाट लगना.
एक मिनिट मनीष, मग चुकलं माझं. I gave you 4th as my that's my regular kundali.
I understood. No, you gave me 4th as your Mahina Kundli, so you gave me.
No, you asked me where the Mars was, right, for Din Kundali.
Correct. It is correct. I have not made a mistake. See, एक minute. All of you just pay attention. ध्यान रखो. Need ध्यान रखो. It's very simple. Get it clear. Your Lagna chart becomes the base. Then the patti which comes tells you how this is going to rotate. So let us say it has become like this. अब ये हो गया ना, ये एक सीक्वेंस के लिए ध्यान में रखो सिर्फ सीक्वेंस. अभी वर्ष कुंडली के नीचे का ये कौन सा है? महीना कुंडली.
महीना.
इसका जो सन है ना, वो महीने करके घुमा दो. That
Mahina.
Okay.
from the Mahina, you take the Mars from there and move it and make it a Din Kundli.
Okay.
But
Got it.
Manish, one sec. See, we will say for example, Mars is in, for example, is in 1. तो अभी मुझे उसको 5 मूव करना है, तो I'll count 1 as well, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Counting of numbers is 1 on 1. Degree is the next one, 37.
ओके सो वर्ष से महीना, महीना से दिन.
So तो मार्स कुठे बसलेला आहे त्याच्यावरनं यू नीड टू रोटेट. आय एम जस्ट पॉजिंग इट फॉर अ मिनिट. सॉरी
My
ऋषिकेश यू आर समथिंग. सॉरी माझ्या लक्ष नव्हतं. काय म्हटलं तू?
हा सो महिना मध्ये जिथे मार्स बसलाय
हा ते
फ्रॉम देअर दिन ना. सो लाईक से 11 डिसेंबर इज माय बर्थडे, सो टुडे इज 30th, सो 11 पकडून 30, सो 20.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 20. So normally it is what we do mathematical calculation plus 1. Shruti काय?
I wanted to ask the same thing की मला मग 2nd ऑगस्ट आहे तर 2nd पासूनच सुरुवात करायची ना 2, 3, 4 असं.
Initially for few turns, no, you can't count on the fingers, but the basic formula is mathematically आपण जे minus करतो plus 1, because that day 1 is considered 1. No? When we say that I am coming on Thursday, then you will say Wednesday, Thursday, so don't धरतो आपण. But it is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays. And when you do that movement, always remember 12th one before. 12th is one house before.
बाहेर ठेवले.
You have to find out 21. 12.
कुठे ठेवले? अच्छा.
So 12, 2s are 24, and then you can go. Like if you want to do 27, let us say you want to move Mars to the 27th day. So Mars, suppose जिधर भी बैठा है, उसका एक घर पहले को 12 बोलो, 12 2s are 22 4 बोलो, 24, 25, 26, 27. So do the turn.
So in my case, today is 30th, no?
Then your
There are
birthday,
29 days.
तुझा birthday कधी आहे?
2nd.
Second है. So 30th minus this thing is 28 plus 1.
तर आपण 30th पकडायचं की 31st, कारण यामध्ये 31st.
नहीं, but 30th है ना. Today's date is 30th ना.
अच्छा, today is 30th. Okay. So आपण सिंपल कॅल्क्युलेशन करायला गेलो तर 30 minus 2 करायचं आणि +1 करायचं, which is 29. कारण असं मी काउंट करून करून थकले.
But initially just do it once or twice.
I'll do it.
Okay. Now what needs to be done is pay attention. एक ही बार वो जो your लग्न chart is there, top left वाला, उसमें top left के लग्न chart में all the bad houses have to be marked. I'm just calling the bad houses, you understand what it is. Like every time I say Venus 1, 6, 9, Sun that's 6, 7, 10, whatever. तो अब अभी करो चाहे तो उसमें जिधर जिधर बैड हाउसेस में ना उधर एक एक सर्कल करो, उसके बाजू में पुट अ डॉट नेक्स्ट टू इट एंड देन टेल मी.
दिन मध्ये ना, दिन कुंडली.
नहीं, इन योर मेन राशि चार्ट, in the main Rashi chart, top left chart, find out which are the bad days, bad planet in which houses, and just put a circle next to it. And then once you're ready, let everyone get ready. Then one by one, 2-3 people will just take. So let me see if you're on the right track or not. When you are ready, then just stand still and I will ask you. Otherwise, everyone will be disturbing everyone else. Done? Okay. So Sujata, let me you tell me what is your एक minute. Just give me one. There's so many papers here. Sujata, tell me which are your bad planets? Is your Saturn bad?
मला परत येत, I'll have to refer to that diagram that you've given.
You're not done. I thought you already. Okay, so take it. 1 minute. Sujata, this one. Rashmi, are ready? Okay, I am asking you the planet to tell me. In your 4th house, Jupiter is there. Is it good or bad?
Good.
In your 5th house, Saturn is there. Is it good or bad?
Saturn is bad.
In your 5th house, Rahu is there. Is it good or bad?
Rahu is neutral. मतलब anyways नहीं है. It's not bad.
गुड में नहीं है ना, वो 7 के आंकड़े में नहीं है ना, तो बैड हो गया वो, बरोबर. ओके, then in your 7th house Venus is there, is it good or bad?
Good.
Moon is in the 7th house, is it good or bad?
Good.
Mercury is in the 8th house, is it good or bad?
Bad.
9th house Mars is there, is it good or bad?
Oh, it's good. Even sun is good.
Sun is good. Ketu in the 11th house, good or bad?
Good.
Okay. Shruti, your Venus in the 1st house, good or bad? Do you know the table by heart?
Bad. No, I don't know it, but I'll refer it.
Okay. You see this video again, because at the starting I've done how to
I
do.
know, I'll have to watch it again.
If any one of you, okay, let's do the. None of you know it by heart, no? Other than you know it by heart, Rishikesh?
बाय हार्ट नाही, पण मला आता माहितीये काय बॅड.
Okay, so tell me, 1st house Rahu, is it good or bad? Till then, Trupti, Shruti, you get your thing ready. I'm asking you next. Okay,
You want me to finish it, right?
you finish it. Rishikesh, Rahu, 1st house, good or bad?
बॅड.
Sun, 2nd house, good or bad?
सन गुड.
Good. Mars, 1st house, good or bad? 2nd house, good or bad?
गुड.
Mercury, 3rd house, good or bad?
बॅड.
Venus, 4th house, good or bad?
गुड.
At 69. So good.
गुड. गुड.
Barabar. Jupiter, 7th house, good or bad?
बॅड.
Ketu, 7th house, good or bad?
बॅड. काय गुड गुड.
Moon, 10th house, good or bad?
बॅड.
Saturn, 10th house, good or bad?
गुड.
So this is done. Anyone else wants to do, or if you are okay, this is fine. Shruti, 1 minute. Shruti, so you do it with me. Okay. Shruti, your 1st house Venus VAT 69, 169. So Venus turns out bad. Okay, just all of you listen to me, so then it will become a revision for all of you. Shruti, I'm working on your chart.
Yeah. It's bad.
Okay, to mute kar. If you don't understand, then ask.
Okay.
Then 2nd house, Shruti, you have got Ketu. Ketu is not in the dragon feet, so it is good. Okay. Sun is also there. Sun is good. Jupiter is also good because it doesn't come in that order. Mercury in the 3rd house is bad. Because Mercury, that girl, Durguni, 3rd, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Moon in the 6th house is bad. Barabar. Saturn in the 7th house is good. Rahu in the 8th house is bad. Bad. Because Rahu's that Angtha is good. Rahu, that 7 असा अंगठा केलेला आहे ना, तो that is म्हणजे that 3, 4, 6 is good, बाकीचं is bad. And your Mars in the 11th house is good. बरोबर? Sujata, you ready?
Oh, Sun 6th house is bad, and Rahu 6th house.
Why do you find that you always start from 1st house, 2nd house, 3rd house, first 3 blank, 4th house over to direct 6 ला कुठे उठते? 4th house of Saturn is good or bad?
Good.
कसं good? Saturn तो उल्टा असा आहे ना. 1st house, 4th house, 5th house and 6th house Saturn is bad.
एक मिनट then I missed it, I think. चूक केली आहे.
सुजाता एक काम करूया आपण. सुजाता, tomorrow if you have a lecture na, and your time this chart which Shruti showing, that is the chart.
Yeah, I have it.
Saturn to the 4th house मध्ये आता it will be bad ना. एक काम करूया, उद्या lecture आहे तुला?
Lecture.
Okay, मग दुपारी when you get free ना.
No, I got it. Yeah. दुपारी मी free आहे.
So दुपारी you just.
दुपारी free आहे. Yeah. I'll keep quiet now. Y'all can. Yeah.
Quiet man, later you will confuse yourself. I'll teach you properly tomorrow in 15 minutes, and then anyone else wants to join also can join it. All of you have got it? Trupti, you want to talk?
Yeah.
Trupti? काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे?
मला माझं डे कुंडली नाही, थोडं कन्फ्युजिंग होते मांडायला.
डे कुंडली
रिव्हर्स जायला थोडं कन्फ्युजिंग होते मला ते.
तुझा महिना कुंडली मला सांग, कुठल्या घरामध्ये काय सांग.
मार्स हलवायचा ना, तर मार्स, व्हीनस, जुपिटर.
विच हाऊस?
दे आर इन 2nd हाऊस.
मार्स, व्हीनस, जुपिटर. हा, मग
नाउ दे विल गो.
नाव देऊ नाही, मग टेल मी अ महिना कुंडली. नरेट महिना कुंडली टू.
ओके. देन 3rd हाऊस इज सन.
ओके.
4th, 5th, 6th काही नाही आहे. Saturn is in 7th house,
हाँ,
Mercury in 8th house,
हाँ,
Ketu 9th,
हाँ.
10th ला काही नाही, 11th ला काही नाही, 12th ला राहू आहे आणि 1st ला मून आहे.
ओके. सो आता तुझा कुठला महिना तुला बघायचा आहे? 4th मंथ, बरोबर? सो
थर्ड
थर्ड. ओके. सो तुझा मार्स व्हीनस ज्युपिटरचा जो कॉम्बो आहे ना, दॅट विल गो टू द थर्ड हाऊस, बरोबर? त्याच्या
that will go to the
थर्ड हाऊस. पण थर्ड मंथ बघतो ना आपण आता. थर्ड तुला तू एक मिनिट, हे तू आता सांग ना, मला वर्ष कुंडली सांगितलं होतंस,
महिना कुंडली.
पण तुला दिन कुंडली बघायचं ना,
हा,
बरोबर?
दिन कुंडली बघायची.
कसं सांगतो, दिन कुंडली जर बघायचं आहे तर तुझा बर्थ डेट काय तारीख आहे?
21st Jan.
21st. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. आज 10वा दिवस आहे, बरोबर? सो मार्सचा जो कॉम्बिनेशन आहे ना, मूव टू द 10th हाऊस. सो मार्स व्हीनस ज्युपिटर गोज टू द 10th हाऊस.
Hmm.
Then it pushes everything ahead. So 11th house will be your sun.
Okay.
Empty, 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 and must Saturn. So empty, 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 and Saturn comes to your third house.
हा.
That's immediately after that, fourth house, Mercury. Immediately after that, fifth house, Ketu.
Hmm.
Empty, empty, and Rahu. So empty, empty. Rahu comes into your eighth house.
Hmm.
And immediately after that is Moon.
Okay. Okay, got it.
After that, again, you come to this.
Got it.
कळलं सगळ्यांना? Have you understood this? So basically, the sequence क्या है कि I'm repeating everything for you right now. All of you just pay attention. Just sit back and understand. Rashi chart is the base of it all. उसके नीचे that year अपना running year का पट्टी, वो हिसाब से उसका combination करके वर्षफल बनाओ. So from 10th March 2021 to 9th March 2022, I'm just giving you an example, is your Varshfal. Now Varshfal का जो sequence बन रहा है, that sequence will remain the same, whether you do Mahina, Din, Tang, 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 whatever it is. So from here, you go to the Mahina Kundi. From the year, you go to the Mahina Kundi. So which month? So if you are born in January, let us say आज 30th, so January 20th पकड़ लो. So January 20th to February 20th, February 20th to March 20th, and March 20th to April 20th. Third month is going on. So sun का combination third house में डाल दो, and all the sequence which goes ahead of it go. So उसके बाद में कुछ आएगा तो वो लिखो. Empty, empty लिखो. Empty, 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 empty लिखो. And like that, just see that the sequence is same. That becomes your महीना कुंडली. अभी ये महीने में कौन सा दिन? So ये महीना becomes now your base. That sequence will remain same as your Varsh Kundi. That will never change. In this thing, where is your Mars seated? वो identify करो and identify the date. So if your birthday is on the 20th and today is the 30th, so 30 minus 20, 10 plus 1, 11. So Mars को वहां से 11 जगह आगे. So wherever Mars is seated, उसके पीछे वाला will be 12, उसके पीछे will be 11. That will be your. So this is how you get a Kundali in place. Second step is get all the bad houses in place. Third thing is the Astro Vastu thing basically. वो दिशा में वो आइटम का, वो प्लैनेट का आइटम हटाना है. अब किधर हटाना है? तो if wherever that planet का पक्का घर है या उच्च है, राशि मत पकड़ो, राशि और नीच मत पकड़ो. राइट एंड बॉटम का नहीं चाहिए, लेफ्ट एंड टॉप का चाहिए. पक्का घर चाहिए या उच्च का चाहिए. Like for example, 6th house में Ketu is पक्का house, but Ketu is also niche, so don't consider that as for Ketu. So let's say you want to move Venus. Venus can be 7th house, वो पक्का घर है उधर का. Mercury and Venus are pakka ghar of 7th house. So if you have to move Venus to somewhere, move it to the pakka house. If you have to move Mercury किधर आता है? Pakka house. 6th house में Mercury is उच्च का, मीरा, बरोबर?
Yeah, Meera.
6th house में you can take Mercury over there. Okay. So basically, this is how you'll move it out. Then another way, if you want to take one step ahead, little more advanced, whenever you find in your, let us say, your Mahina Kundli, we talk of Mahina Kundli now. If you find the planets are bad, this, in these houses, try to draw a parallel over there. The moon seated in the 8th house, let us say, I'm just saying, is giving a bad result. 8th house is house of in-laws. In-laws wala moon is what? The mother-in-law. So maybe the mother-in-law is unwell. 8th house is house of accidents. Maybe किधर पैर को ठेस लगा होगा. Okay. So moon is mother or mother-like. 8th house is the house of in-laws. So mother from the in-laws side becomes mother-in-law. 8th house mein moon is bad if you remember. 6, 8, 10 and then it goes up. So it is giving bad result over there. So something bad could, nothing major, chota mota kuch can happen to that. That is how you can draw a parallel and then come to a conclusion. Suppose moon is seated in the 8th house. Other option is moon is your stomach. Moon is in your body. 8th house is a house of illness, obstacles. Stomach upset ho sakta hai. You can have stomach upset. So this is how we'll have to draw parallels. It is not very easy to give a sort of formula ki yehi hoga, because these are the options. So unless we document it on a regular basis, we won't come to a conclusion where we can surely say, boss, your mother-in-law is going to have a stomach upset. We might say mother-in-law has a stomach and chali idhar hi apna hi pet ka water hai. So so as of now, keep your fingers crossed. Use your logic to analyze it. And main thing is, if there is a bad planet, at least at your level, as of now, just observe it. I am to tell you, don't move it also. Suppose tomorrow morning, let's say you have a stomach upset, let us say. Just see whether moon is seated in the 6th house in your day chart, din chart. Because 6th house is the house of illness. 6th house is also house of stomach. Moon is also stomach. Moon is giving negative result in the 6th house. Barabar? Moon in the 6th house is bad. 6, 8, 10, 11, 12 is bad. So moon in 6th house is bad. Moon represents stomach. Moon represents your water in your body. 6th house is stomach. Correct? 6th house में उच्च कौन है? मीरा. Mercury and Rahu. Mercury and Rahu और moon का क्या संबंध है? राहु तो half ग्रहण. Mercury and moon. Moon doesn't like Mercury, if you remember, the grandmother and the granddaughter. So inimical this thing situation. पक्का घर किसका है? केतु का है. Ketu and moon ग्रहण. So basically, moon in the 6th house from all angles is packed. So it will give a bad result. So if your moon is in the 6th house, it might mean most probably stomach upset, or 6th house is house of debt. 6th house, debt, DBT, debt, loss, paisa kharcha, hidden enemies. Maybe some money might, some expenditure might happen, let us say. किसी को पैसा देना होगा, somebody might take money away from you, in some way. You were to spend 5 rupees, and by mistake somebody took 50 rupees from you. So this is how you will have to actually document, which I am doing on a daily basis. You document it, understand what is the situation like. Somebody went off over. Document what is going on. I would say for the next 1 month, don't move any product. Even if you see that wrong thing, don't move it. Let it happen. We'll risk 1 more month. अगर कुछ हो रहा है and if it is becoming bad, then move it obviously. But I'm saying as of now we need to document it. So अगर कुछ problem हो रहा है, तो बराबर देखो. It will most probably tell you. Suppose feverish है, तो Mars या Rahu या Sun would be in some inflicted house. It might be in the 6th house. 6th house Sun is bad. Rahu is good over there. But this fellow is bad. So ऐसा देखो. The next thing that you have to understand is, if it is bad in a specific house, any planet, just see the Pakka house and the Uchka planets over there and then get a relation between them. that maybe we'll take it little advanced, or we don't stress yourself so much. But have you all understood this protocol, this 4-step thing, all of you? Now, that's all I have to say. If you want to ask anything, ask or tell me.
So it will your day kundali is going, now that we've made our day kundali. Okay, so now every day it's going to move anti-clockwise.
One day, but today you took it at the 11th day. Tomorrow Mars will be in the 12th day, then 30. That's why I said your Rashi chart and your Lagna chart can be drawn in sketch pen. Your Mahina chart 15 should be done in pencil, दिन का pencil. Always उसके नीचे लिखो ये महीना इतने से इतना, ये दिन 21, 22, 23. So every day make that thing. So that tabulation which I have given you, एक उसका एक प्रिंट आउट करके रखो या हाथ से बनाओ on a A4 size sheet. नीचे का खोलते रहो and लिखते जाओ. And if you can document something, document it on a separate sheet in very simple word. Date, moon was in this house, stomach upset. This was your headache. This was their ting ting ting. This was their husband had a headache. So headache had a headache. ऐसे लिखो. Like that. How's your headache? मतलब तो she's gone to work. मतलब. Understood all of you? We are perfectly.
Manish,
I got, yeah, now I got my Saturn, Mars are both in bad
नहीं सुजाता.
location.
Private.
उद्या.
वयानुसार जर आहे टू लहान मुलांना कसं मांडे घेऊन बसून शिकवायला लागतं तसं म्हाताऱ्यांना पण तसं शिकवायला लागतं बाबा बस
Manish, so आपल्याला when we calculate day kundali, that आजचा दिवस minus आपली birth date असं करायचं.
आजचा दिवस मायनस बर्थडे या +1
+1.
पण त्याच्यापेक्षा आधी मोस्ट म्हणजे तुझा काय 21 ला आहे ना ते 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 10 झालं. आता जर तू उलट कॅल्क्युलेशन करतो फॉर्म्युला बघशील तर 30 - 21 is 9 प्लस donkey work and monkey work. So you must always escalate from donkey to monkey, not from monkey to donkey. Some people go from monkey to donkey, and it is okay. It happens.
कळलं आज तो ही इज बिंग व्हेरी नाईस टू मी, कारण मी आज आले, नाहीतर तो आता मंद बुद्धी वगैरे सगळं म्हणाला असता.
म्हणून तर मला सकाळी when I saw that
म्हणून तो सकाळी
cartoon, when I remembered you only. That's why I quickly sent on the group.
व्हॉट आय एम अ ब्लॉकहेड और व्हॉट.
No, no. से चांगल्या याच्यात मी तुझं
चांगल्या याच्यात, चांगल्या.
बरं, म्हणून मी एनकरेजमेंट म्हणून लिहिलं. आय वॉज गोइंग टू राईट टू यू पर्सनली. तुम्ही काय ब्लॉकहेड.
say something like this, now you don't realize whether I'm pulling your leg or I'm telling you the genuine. And it's a genuine philosophy. But you know, I'm hinting.
अच्छा. कळलं. ट्रान्सफर्ड एपिथेट म्हणतात त्याला.
I'm pausing this thing.